I'm bald as hell.
Oh, we gotta check it. We just gotta check it.
It's so embarrassing that you don't.
At least we're in here doing it.
Yeah, but like, can you put it back on at least?
Yeah, after I check city, I'll tell you that.
I got
have
you.
to
I don't got nothing. I'm no bra, no drawers, no nothing on. Nothing.
take that way.
She walked into the store. She paid for her stuff. She even had a receipt, and yet police put her in handcuffs before she could reach her car. What exactly did the cameras catch inside that store, and was this arrest even justified? This body cam footage has the answer, and it's not what you'd expect.
Is she still in the store?
Yeah, she's right here. Police are here.
She has stuff inside the purse.
Mm-hmm.
You want to wait to see if she paid for it?
Do you want us to wait and see if the lady pays for her stuff or no?
You have it on camera now.
Technically, we have to wait until she crosses the doors.
Oh, Dennis is. Hi, I'm sorry. I'm Ron. I'm coming back. I work in this department, but I was looking for Dennis. He's not.
And he's in the store and we're looking for a shopping right now.
Oh, okay. How you doing, officer?
Good, are you?
Good, thank you. All right.
That's more than 15 items. There's no way they scan everything together.
Is both of them? Both, right?
Can you start looking through self-checkout to see if they scan everything?
Oh, 228, yeah, but it's going to be two
they have
females
to do that
shoplifting.
They are leaving self-checkout.
They are about to exit the store.
Pharmacy, the one,
Through the pharmacy?
yeah, they're coming to the side.
Okay.
Do you want me to make my way
They're
out the
about
door?
to leave through the pharmacy entrance.
Huh?
Copy.
No.
Wait to see if they're going through. I think they're coming. Just go outside. Let's go outside. They're going to see if they're going to stop to pay or not. They're coming this way. One of them have a like a light blue. Come this way. There's a kid that way doesn't. They have a kid. Right there, right here. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Both of you, come over here. Both of you.
Come over there for what?
We'll explain to you in a minute.
What are
Let's
we
go over
coming
there.
for?
Let's go over there.
She got the receipt for everything
That's
she
like I
paid
said.
for.
That's fine.
Is it both of them?
Yeah,
Both
both of
cards.
them.
Oh, he's got to tell you our policy.
What's being recorded? What am I saying? She got the receipt.
That's okay. They want,
What am I going in there for though?
they want to talk to you right now. You want to do it in public or you want to do it in private?
So why would y'all stop me? He didn't say me. He said it was not me. He said the green pen.
You said what?
Excuse me.
You can't tell me that I did anything.
They have it on camera.
Listen. Let's figure it out.
Oh, this motherfucker.
My receipt right here.
That's okay, City. Just wait until they finish. Maybe if it's nothing, you guys can go, okay?
No, I'm gonna take my stuff. I got my kids. I don't have to wait here for me.
Let me find out who this belongs to. Let me go ask.
Why do I have to open my?
Hold on a second.
Yeah, you got your receipt for everything.
The thing on the car is being paid off.
We can,
What about this stuff right there?
you can give us a receipt, we can check.
The juice, everything.
Thank you. I'm no thing off.
You don't want to check?
We're just getting her stuff from the
You say I took nothing, so I can sue you.
I like to look for the accused. They may not have any service.
So they have it on camera, sir?
What was their last and any contact with
We have the film about the pharmacy entrance inside the store. Okay, so we need some kind of communication. What's going on with her?
She can choose stuff in her purse. Her purse.
Okay.
In the payroll record.
Inside the purse. Open the purse.
Why do I have to open my
Because they
purse?
have you on
Can
camera.
he show me the camera?
They can show them.
Show
Okay,
them.
let me show me.
Right there. Or was it? No, it wasn't.
I'm going to say the one is with them.
It was after this.
What's up with the purse?
You just told me to come here.
Yeah, I know, but be careful with the lady.
That's where
right
it started. That's
Grab
payroll.
your purse, I'll leave your holder in the car outside.
Right in her
Grab
purse.
your purse, I can come in.
Okay.
Goes in that
Just
aisle.
grab the purse, I can take this out.
She
I
can
don't
see
want
us.
it in here sometime.
You
I'll
want
put
to
it to the
grab
side of
this?
the door.
Okay.
Show me the purse again.
Right there. Stealing apparel in her purse.
The store's loss prevention officer had been watching this woman on camera. She was seen placing items into her purse without scanning them at checkout. Police were called. The plan was simple: wait until she crossed the exit doors. That's the rule. You need to let them attempt to leave before you can make a stop. As she tried to exit through the pharmacy entrance, the officer and police moved in. She wasn't alone. There was another woman with her, and a child. She pushed back hard. You can't tell me I did anything on camera. She demanded proof, so they showed her right there on the screen footage of her placing merchandise into her purse. Without paying her friend, she slipped away. Not enough evidence to hold her, but this woman wasn't going anywhere.
No, I'm sorry. All right. So we do want complaint action, right? Yep. All right. Go ahead. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
This is hers. She brought this with her. Okay. Forward to one on the. You have gloves? Please.
724, I'm clear now. You want to pick that up for you?
No, I got it.
Do you have anything in your bra, waistband, or anything?
Nothing at all.
I don't
I
want
got
to
you.
expose
You got my
you.
phone?
Yeah, I got
I
you.
have
I
to.
don't got nothing. I'm no bra, no drawers, no nothing. No. Nothing.
Take that away.
More sure that's what you want
Okay,
to
okay.
know.
I know, but I have to check it. Okay. Not be personal.
I'm about to take it off, but I
You
want to.
can't take it off. It's nothing under here.
Well, I have to check it
It's
again.
I'm bald as hell.
Oh,
I
we gotta
just
check
told
it.
you
We just
that.
gotta check it.
It's so embarrassing that you.
At least we're in here doing it.
Yeah, but like, can you put it back on? At least.
Yeah, after I check city, I told you that.
All
right.
Alright.
You want to transport her to Cool
Doesn't
One,
matter.
and I get the receipt and stuff? Thank you.
Did she pay for the water?
Yeah, she did. It's
The other girl? I think she left.
Okay,
So
but where's she at right now? Because you don't want to leave.
she was
here.
saying
How long
she's
now?
leaving, so
She leaving.
I let her go. She wasn't accused, so she can return and get it if she wants it that bad. I mean.
Right this way.
Oh, he's getting it perfect.
Do you have any empty carts?
Oh, she's working. She's working. She's not cutting.
They're dented and this one.
Is it full? Is this it? No. What was this?
Runway 1 female for 18991. Copy 150492.
This is really nice.
Thank you. And I just want to get a quick picture of her on camera real quick.
Picture of her face you want?
Yeah.
That's when you're
And
probably
like,
gonna get is when she was in here.
Yeah.
well, not her face, just her in the aisle, like,
Oh, like
putting something in it. Yeah.
She was folding it and putting it in the purse.
You able to burn a copy of this for me, and I'll get it tomorrow, maybe?
Yeah, that's fine. You want me to just leave the entire file just together for you?
Yeah, just put it together and just leave it here. I'll come in early in the morning, so I'll probably come through like 7, 8 o'clock. I'll get it and bring it to you tomorrow.
Okay. She's the one that spotted it.
Okay. What's your name?
You.
Angelina. A-N-G.
E-L-I-N-A.
Last name?
Yes.
And you spotted it on camera or in person?
Okay.
All right. You guys never approached them or anything until
At the door. We tried, and then you guys got to it first.
okay. Okay, at the door.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then we walked up. Okay, perfect. Got it. All right. I give you the extra
Yeah,
now.
please.
4. What's the case number?
Are you ready?
104-23263.
263. Copy. Thank you. Where's my name? You guys want to trespass?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what's your name? I'll say you want it, or you want me to just say Angelina?
Use
don't
both.
matter. All right, I'll stop by in the morning, okay?
All right, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Thank you.
Photograph.
Run off camera.
That's what we call booking. And
175, you need 60s there?
She was searched, handcuffed, and processed. A formal complaint was filed, case number logged, and the store issued a trespass. She's banned from coming back. But here's what stuck with me the moment she said, "I don't have anything," and then the camera proved otherwise. That's the thing about loss prevention, they don't move until they're sure. One bad decision, one moment caught on camera, and now it follows you. So let me ask you, drop it in the comments, do you think the arrest was justified, or did they go too far? I read every comment, let's talk about it.